everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela here today, and today is the great unveiling and launch of my new kit. So I am delighted to have you here with me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate all your kindness and support. Right, so today here it is. I am happy to tell you that I have put together a kit for the month of February. And I thought, I'm not a big Valentine's sort of supporter really, but one thing I do love is a wedding, like we all do. So, you know, February's the month of romance, and that is what I've put together. So I have put 6 pages, well, the journal pages kit itself on its own is 30 pages. That includes 6 mini pages, so you've got 24 pages, 12 background and 12 designed pages. So, well, it's quite a big one. So I haven't had one this size yet, so I hope that you are going to enjoy what you see. Right, so the first 6 pages don't have any wedding elements, and might I just add right here before I forget, I'm calling this one To Have and to Hold. All right, so I thought that would be perfect. So who doesn't love a lovely wedding, especially when it starts, spring's starting and all those sorts of things. Oh, well, you might be thinking to yourself, oh, well, I got married ages ago. Well, wouldn't it be lovely to pick up all the photographs and bits of ephemera from your own marriage or somebody in your family's wedding that's happened, and put together, either for yourself or for them, a beautiful keepsake journal to house all of those, with all the bits of ephemera and all the little telegrams and messages and gift cards and everything else that you had. I think it would make a beautiful memory keepsake, and I'm sure that you would love to put together, whether that be for your own wedding that happened long ago or somebody in the family that's getting married, you know. So that's what I thought we could do, and it would be amazing to put a project together with me. I am going to put one together, so you're welcome to follow along, and let's put together all the little bits and pieces and share what you'd like to see in a wedding journal. So without I'm going to stop talking and share with you what I've put together. So as I said, these are the journal pages. The first 6 pages don't have any wedding elements really, other than a lot of florals. So we've got these beautiful roses, rosebuds in here, and the colors that I'm using are a very soft pink, silvers, we've got some white, peach, and a lovely spring green. So those are the colors that I have chosen to use. You can see I have some hydrangeas as well, and lots of gold, or, you know, old gold, and really elegant looking. So beautiful font. I love font, and you can see touches of peach and pink intermingled over here. All right, so these are the 6 pages, and at this point, if you're not wanting a wedding album at all, you've already got 6 pages you could use without any wedding elements per se. So that's the first lot, and we've got lovely frames and all sorts that you can use. I've included lace in here, music, and all sorts of lovely elements, and I love how it's turned out. Right, then I sort of have 6 pages where we've got wedding elements, and these are additional designs to what you've seen already. So we've got all sorts of things that would relate to a wedding on the day. So we've got the bride and groom. I love that, with a cake. Beautiful. So really love that. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much over it really. I hope that you are going to enjoy doing this and making that special memory journal for somebody or for yourself. You know, something to give your children about your special day would be amazing. So that's beautiful. Champagne, wedding contract. So lovely hat boxes, just lovely. I do like the images in here, and the flowers are beautiful. Right, so those are your 12 design pages, and then I've put together 12 background pages, because we like to have places to write photos, messages guests might want to leave, and everything else. We've got to have writing areas. So I've got this lovely spring green on lace background, so lovely lacy page. And then of course I've got a lovely blush pink one to go with the kit as well. So I love those lace pages. Then I've got some polka dots and fleur-de-lis, I think, with some font and things, so that's going to make a beautiful background pages. All of these coordinate perfectly with the kit itself. All right, so here's a lovely gold one, golden creams. We've got a nice spring green one, so we've just got 3 of those. I have then used some polka dot in spring green. I did include a pink one from this, very similar to the Baking Bliss one, but I thought I won't expect people to go and get that for one page. I just added it in here, as well as this one, which I've used once before. I've added it in here. Okay. But then these are my favorites. I love these pages. This is a beautiful peach page. It's got roses over there, and these look like hearts around the roses, and I just love this. And I've got a blush pink one. You probably can't see it too well there, but trust me, they are different colors. So I do love those. And then I've done some seamless designs here with the beautiful roses and their buds. On that one there, and then I've done another one here with beautiful gold hearts, little flowers, and these little hat boxes as well. So I just love that. I thought this would make great wrapping paper, actually. All right, so those are our journal pages. Big kit, a very big kit. Okay, and as always, I like to have add-on pages. I have put together tags, envelopes, journal cards, little tabs, that's the word, and various other bits in here. So let's have a pockets is the other one. So we've got our large tags. These are very wedding orientated in this instance, and then we have the ones with just the florals, leaving some space to make it your own and add in little bits and pieces. So that's why I always like one like that. I've done 2 of these pages in different designs, so you'll have 16 of these tabs in different layouts, so you can see the others over there, and then 2 sets of the smaller tags. So we've got 2 over there, and then 3 and 3 over there. That one's lovely and plain, so you can do whatever you want on that one, so it gives you a little bit of individualism. Then I've done rectangular and triangular pockets, some 2 to do your own thing on, and of course all these others here. So these are beautiful. Then we've got these other rectangular pockets as well, and little circle discs to cut out and use if you want to layer up your tags or anything else. So that's beautiful. Then a set of journal cards here, beautiful 4 journal cards. You can cut those and use those in anything really. And then of course I've got the 2 larger envelopes. So this has got the beautiful spring green background, and then one with a lovely pink background as well, and I love using those. Right, we've got our mini envelopes, and I do love how the florals just flow there, and the gold one as well. So there's those. And that is the end of the add-on kit. So you've got a good 10 pages there of plenty to do on that one. And then last but not least is the 3rd kit. And what I've done here is I've put 6 pages of actual ephemera, and I've got 4 pages of sentiments. I've combined the 2 for this particular one. So I thought that would make it easier. I've got these lovely postcards. I've made this on the back of an envelope. We've got a lovely cake one over here, so that's lovely. I've put these together, which are taken from my designs and various elements from there. and I've put together little bits and pieces that if you were a bride or are going to be a bride, things that you would look for when you're planning. So things like photography, gloves, dress fabric and lining, you know, those sorts of things. So a little bit of a vintage touch there. But although I did wear gloves when I got married, so there we go. You know, it's one of those beautiful pages. I've got some of these Harrison Fisher images which I've put together in frames and dollied up a bit there, and some other little elements, along with these lovely vintage roses and rosebuds over there that you can fussy cut. Here's some of my postcards and some more images that I've put together over there. These are some of my Catherine Klein collection of postcards, these three, and this is another older one of mine, and I have just put on some lovely florals and stains and things on there. So I do love this, just coordinated well and perfect if you're wanting to leave something for people to leave a message for the group, the happy couple. Right, so then I've got, as I said, things like flower business cards, dress fabric, perfume, glove, sort of business card things, and other little elements as well. All right, and then last but not least, we've got our sentiments, and I really love these. I've drawn quotes from famous people and authors as well, so things like John Lennon or you know, Aubrey Hepburn. You've got J.R.R. Tolkien. This must be my favorite quote ever. I would rather share one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. I thought that is just, I've known that one for a long time. I love it. I also put together this one here, which has some gorgeous quotes from Nicholas Sparks, great author. If you know The Notebook, E.E. Cummings, Ludwig van Beethoven, you know, just gorgeous, gorgeous quotes here. So you can't go wrong adding those to the journal. And then, of course, got these sort of short quotes here, just quirky words. And then I've added in a poem, which is a wedding poem by an unknown author called The One, which you can read. It's absolutely divine, and I thought that to go in there would be amazing. All right, and then as always, I do the mini ones. So I've done that as well. Okay, everybody, so that's what I have got for you. The kit's called To Have and to Hold, just to remind you. And, you know, I think it's going to make a lovely, memorable keepsake project for whoever would like to follow along with me. So I hope that you are keen to do that, because that would be absolutely amazing. I'm going to obviously finish off the baking journal. So we've got 1 or 2 weeks on that still. But I hope that you enjoy this one and want to get hold of this one. I will be putting together with Vanessa. I have spoken with her already, so we're just finalizing a ribbon pack because people have asked me already. So that will be available, so have a look out in Plum Boutique or in my Facebook group for that, and we'll give you the details. Beautiful soft colors that go so well with this. I just couldn't take my eyes off them. Right, everybody, so that is that for this kit. I hope that you like it. I do have the kit available in the digital format as well as a printed format, the details of which will be on my Etsy store, and those will be live at the moment. The kit comes in the PDF format and the JPEG format, except for the journal pages, which I need to send the JPEG format in email to you, and you know that I normally do that pretty quickly. And if you're looking for the US letter size or an A4 size, those are both available as well. All right, so I will love and leave you. Thank you so much for spending this moment with me just to experience this launch. I hope that you'd like what you see and are keen to put together a beautiful keepsake that would go well for anybody's wedding as a special handmade gift, or of course for your own family, about your own wedding, or you know, a family member's wedding. So thank you, and I see you very soon in our very next video, which will be probably Friday, Saturday as usual. So thank you so much. Bye bye.